On this particular job, we were cleaning 6 rooms and we're using the SETT method. And first in the process is DICE, dry and soluble soil extraction. And many people ask me, how do you know which machine to choose for a particular job? Or why do you choose that machine for a particular job? And the answer is quite easy. On this particular job, I chose the 13-inch OrboSet machine because I'm going to have to maneuver around a lot of furniture and a lot of items and go underneath some furnitures. And it's going to be very difficult to use the larger machines. I would have to bring in a larger machine anyways, or a smaller machine anyways, if I used a larger machine to get in some of these corners and get in between furniture or underneath furniture. So it is just easier to just use the smaller machine. And the DICE process right here is very important to get rid of as much dry and soluble soil as possible. And we're also going to post DICE. But back to the machine. That machine or extractor, it is a 13-inch extractor. It works very well. It does just as good of a job as the larger machine. Sometimes you need the larger machine. Sometimes you need a little bit more horsepower. But this machine definitely punches above its weight class and it does a good job. We are using the brush attachment first. We are agitating in the pre-spray into the carpet fibers. And then we're going to use a pad, microfiber pad, to extract the water-soluble soil. And that process is called SETT, Soil Extraction Transfer Technology. It's part of the ULM process, ultra-low moisture. And you can tell that this machine is doing a good job. There are some pet stains here. I don't know if it comes out on video, but in person you can see the pet stains disappearing. We're using a peroxide-based cleaner that is a neutral cleaner, and it won't leave a residue. And that's one of the beautiful things about our process is we're not leaving harmful residues that can wick back, and we're not over-wetting the carpet to where it takes forever to dry. With the hot water extraction process, also known as steam, the carpet can take up to a day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. And I've even heard some people say that it was so bad and their carpet was so wet that it was wet for a week. We're in Florida. Keep in mind, this is Florida. We're in very humid areas. When you're close to the beach or you're close to lakes, waterfront properties, and then not to mention just the humidity in general is very extreme in Florida, and you really want to bring those dry times down, and it prevents mold and wicking of stains and damage to your structure when that moisture is minimal. the assistant's doing this room. We are heading to a room that's pretty bad as far as pet stains go. And we used extra peroxide for this particular room to get rid of those pet stains and to neutralize those pet stains. And we're going to completely eliminate these pet stains, by the way. And this process really does a good job on dirty carpet and carpet that does not look so dirty. It's a very conservative approach to carpet cleaning. We're not using tons of water, PSI, extreme high pH products. We are using safe solutions to erase these soils, to improve the air quality in your carpet, and to make your carpet look nicer and make your carpet safer without all the extra water, excess water, and then the wicking that produces later on when your carpet dries.